Best investment ever, travel bags. You heard it here, best investment ever. Before we hop into the rest of this video, future us wanted to let you guys know that we weren't able to clip a whole lot from the actual event itself, but we wanted to do a little bit of a summary because I know that's why you guys are here.
The event itself was fantastic. We learned a lot about what makes the valuation of your business and the multiple higher for an exit in terms of how much you could sell it for, what that looked like, if that was something we want to do or other business owners wanted to do. We got that knowledge from the portfolio team, and then also went tactical into a lot of business related stuff with the director of sales, their YouTube guy, content people, and just learned a lot of cool things. We're able to ask a lot of questions. Yeah. But on top of that as well too, probably the best part for us was the networking that we got. We've only been in rooms where there's been fitness coaches and other fitness businesses. This was like a room we were in with 95% of the other businesses weren't fitness businesses. They were products, they were other services, traders, like all kinds of shit. So it was cool for us to meet people absolutely fucking killing it in all those other verticals.
Yeah, so all in all, would highly recommend it if you own a smaller business, or even if it's a little bit of a bigger one and you feel like there's some gaps or holes that need to be filled in. We definitely feel like we got our money's worth for it. So we're gonna pop into the rest of the video and show you guys more of the full-on experience.
Hey yo.
We are here at the Fontainebleau. This is a mess because we've been living
here for the past 2 days. This isn't fresh into the hotel.
Look at this little blue orb. Very, very nice. Like, ladies, you can appreciate, you can turn it off. You can turn it as bright as you need. You love to see it.
Shower, I'll take a dip.
Shower, yeah. Wash your stinky off.
Wash your stinky off.
Your sins,
Nice
big old mirror.
Always appreciate
You can
that.
always appreciate. Big old bed that has not yet been made. We make our bed back home, but
We do.
it's like
Maid makes the bed here.
Maid makes the bed.
In Vegas, you always have an assortment of goodies that they charge you way more than what it's worth.
There's like a 30-second timer, so if you pull that for longer than 30 seconds, it'll charge
go
you.
off, and then we're stocked with beverages, drinks, espresso martini. Gorgeous view. Absolutely.
So there's the sphere over there. Just mountain ranges all around us, which is really dope. And then you can see all the small details of Vegas. We got the convention center right there.
All the cool shit. Yeah.
And don't forget one of the coolest parts. Just laying in bed if you want to just wake up to the drapes, or you need to close them. And you can close
the shears.
The drapes and the shears.
12 a.m. here PST time, 2 a.m. for us. We are currently in our beautiful room. We have House of the Dragons on. We just ordered room service, and it came here in 20 minutes. We ordered it. It said it'd show up at 12:40. It showed up right at midnight, and I could not be happier. The fact that I didn't have to wait 40 more minutes.
Over deliver, baby.
That's right. We actually just saw some friends. As soon as we got into the hotel, they picked us up from the airport. Rashad, Caroline, and Chad are good friends. We've been good friends with for a long time. They live out here in Vegas, and we'll be seeing them more this week. But right now, we're gonna eat this, and then we'll chat with you guys in the morning. That's right. Just finishing up a message here before we head to the gym.
Before we head to the gym, there's the good old sphere. It's looking mighty. I forgot a hairbrush on the day where I probably need it the most. Go to the gym, we're gonna get some steps. I'm gonna do a little bit of work on our phone while we can before we head over to the main event. They have waters with each of the treadmills, and they give you a little towel, which is so nice.
That's a really nice gym experience.
Yeah.
For a hotel, very, very nice.
Got a little stair stepper area, and then there's the whole weight room, little water station. Yeah. And then there's a whole weight room back there, which looks dope. Ready to go.
Ready to rock and roll.
Got a black polo.
Black polo from Lululemon, navy slacks from Banana Republic, Aldo shoes, couple rings.
Ready to go.
Lay right cement clay in the hair. Ready to go. I'm ready to go.
All right.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Hey,
Good morning.
Yo, Fresh.
Yay! Day 2.
Day 2.
Last day at the acquisition, and I finally got a brush. Day 2. We haven't been able to update you guys much, or really bring you along much because they
don't. We had to sign like papers and stuff. You can't record, even take pictures or nothing in there. So it's pretty locked up. Usually for most events, you can like record or whatnot, but they're covering a lot of their intellectual property. The people in the company are speaking, and they just want it to be tight knit with the people there. Because in a roundabout way, this event is like to set up to groom you, essentially, for them to help you build your business, and then one day they could then invest in you and then help you potentially exit your company. Which, for us, who knows if that's something we want to do. So that's kind of what yesterday was. Today's gonna be more strategy stuff, which we have some pretty burning questions we weren't able to ask yesterday. Hopefully we can get them answered today.
Yeah, we're excited.
Yeah, I'm running out of breath. It's always like little nerves and stuff going back in there, and with all their team and all that stuff, and a bunch of new people, cool business owners. So excited for day 2.
We met a lot of cool people, which was awesome. But it's a full day event from basically 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. like nonstop. You get breaks obviously in between, but we were actually there until 7:30 yesterday.
Yeah,
so
late one.
It was
it's like
it was
a
late.
14-hour day, dude.
And then we went and grabbed dinner with somebody that we met here, which was really awesome. Such a cool guy. Used to work on Wall Street for a while, and now owns a wealth management company. So it's really cool just meeting a lot of these people and being able to feel like a small fish in a big pond, which is exactly what we were looking for. So today is the last day. Like Mason said, we're doing roundtable strategy sessions. Would love to show you guys in there. It's not too exciting as far as like the room or anything anyway. But I understand them wanting to keep it private because people pay a lot of money to be at these events. Unfortunately, no cameras, but we did end up just extending our stay here at the Fontainebleau. We haven't even been able to.
We haven't even been able to enjoy. Like we've been in the hotel for very brief moments, and then we've had to get out. But it's just been a very packed day. Like we saw friends at this event. We're back, dinner, sleep because we had to get up early. Took a call this morning.
Went
all day, and then finally
to
tomorrow
gym.
We have stuff to do, but we don't have like an 8-hour, 15-hour block that we have to be somewhere.
Yeah, we want to enjoy this beautiful hotel. We'll show you guys around tonight. We plan to do some gambling as well. Yes. We will see you guys.
We'll see you guys in a little bit.
A little bit. It has been a hell of a day, a hell of a weekend.
I mean, the past, 2.5 days have just been non-stop. From place to place, Uber to Uber, up in the room, drop things.
Conversation to conversation.
And sweating for the past hour and a half.
So we are headed out right now to meet up with some people that we met here at the event, which we're looking forward to. We're gonna grab a bite to eat, probably a drink.
We're gonna take Audrey gambling for the first time. Take her on the craps table. I played a bunch of craps, told her all about it, but she's never played any craps.
Never played any craps?
Yeah.
So I'm about to go blow this popsicle stand and let you guys know the money that we made on the other end.
I think it is.
Oh, I'm glad I wasn't the only one with flash on. Yeah, I know, I'm gonna go.
Man, turn your shit off.
Sorry, guys. Oh my god. On the phone with Amex, we're trying to extend.
This is the second time this week. Earlier this week, we tried to book a flight for Audrey. Hour and 18 minutes for no reason.
Insane.
That was travel. Trying to just book another night at the hotel. Already 16 minutes into this spot.
Only reason why we got a keto omelet is because it was an egg white omelet and it came with gluten-free toast. As if this is like keto, I don't understand what that means, but little hash brown. Got a coffee with some oat milk. Mason got a double espresso. It is currently Wednesday. We were supposed to leave this morning at 10 a.m., but we wanted a day to chill here at the Fontainebleau because it is such a beautiful hotel.
Yeah.
And we don't usually stay in hotels. We typically stay in Airbnbs, so it just feels like we're being pampered a little bit, which is very nice. So we just got some work done this morning. As you guys saw, we went to breakfast. Now we're gonna pop downstairs to the pool. I did forget a bathing suit, which was pretty crappy, but oh, the girls are coming out. But we did get a new bathing suit. We're gonna go down to the pool. We're gonna work a little bit more at the pool, hang out a little bit, and then we fly out tomorrow. Oh, the ground is super Thursday at 8 a.m. By the way, pro tip for you guys is to block out your time in the calendar for the gym. Otherwise, somebody can book in and then we don't go to the gym. All right, this morning we got, it's the last morning. Yeah, what'd you get?
So this
is that yours?
This is yours.
Or that's mine, yes.
What did you get?
I got an egg white frittata. I think that's a tomato with some,
With the hash brown.
with a hash brown.
Their hash browns are like little hash
Circles.
brown cakes. It's like almost like a crab cake. So this was I think a Western omelet. So it's got peppers, spinach, another veggie in there, some Black Forest ham, and it was supposed to come in eggs, of course. I made a substitute for egg whites. So that's what we got there. Gluten-free pancakes, gluten-free toast, because Audrey and I, well, at least for me, I am so gluten intolerant, so
We both are.
try to stay away from gluten as much as possible.
Got a side of bananas for the pancakes, and this is on top of my
I don't know if
frittata.
it's focusing. Maybe it is focusing, but bananas, funny story about bananas. One of our good friends that we met out here this weekend, we're good friend now, just met him. He lives in Dubai, he's from Germany. We're at dinner and he mentioned to the waitress he's allergic to bananas. Never met a person allergic to bananas, but Daniel is. We love you, Daniel.
He actually just didn't like them.
Yeah, I don't think he just like
He just didn't like them. Surprise, surprise. We're actually going to be back on August 9th in Vegas for another acquisition event, which we will bring you guys along for.
Thank you guys for watching, viewing. If you liked it, feel free to leave a comment down below. Give us a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button if you want to learn more about us, how to potentially even work with us, with the link to our team page down below. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye, guys.